Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of animals. Today, we are going to dive into the world of penguins, the tuxedo-wearing birds that waddle on ice. Penguins are found in the southern hemisphere and are known for their unique adaptations to living in cold environments. They are flightless birds that have evolved to swim effortlessly in water and withstand extreme cold temperatures. In this video, we will take a closer look at penguins and learn more about their behavior, habitat, and the challenges they face in the wild. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonderful world of penguins. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now let's get started. Penguins are fascinating creatures that are adapted to living in a variety of habitats. These flightless birds are found in various regions of the world and thrive in diverse habitats, from the icy waters of Antarctica to the warmer tropical regions of the southern hemisphere. Penguins are found in large colonies that can number in the thousands, and these colonies are often located on isolated islands or remote parts of the coastline. The habitats that penguins inhabit vary depending on the species. For example, emperor penguins live in the harshest and most remote areas of Antarctica where temperatures can drop to -50 degrees Celsius, while Galapagos penguins live in the warmer waters off the coast of Ecuador. One of the most important aspects of penguin habitats is the availability of food. Penguins are carnivorous birds that feed primarily on fish and krill, and they are dependent on the ocean for their survival. As a result, penguins are often found in areas of the ocean where the water is rich in nutrients, such as upwelling zones, where cold, nutrient-rich water rises from the depths to the surface. Overall, penguins are an important part of the marine ecosystem, and their habitats are critical to their survival. By understanding the unique adaptations and behaviors of penguins, we can gain a greater appreciation for these remarkable creatures and work to ensure their continued survival in the face of changing environmental conditions. Penguins are fascinating creatures that have captured the attention of humans for centuries. They are flightless birds that have evolved a number of unique adaptations to their aquatic lifestyle. For example, their wings have been modified into flippers that are ideal for swimming and diving. Their streamlined bodies and webbed feet enable them to swim at incredible speeds underwater, reaching up to 22 miles per hour. Penguins also have a layer of blubber that helps them stay warm in the cold ocean waters. Penguins are social animals that live in colonies, ranging from a few dozen to thousands of individuals. They communicate with each other through a combination of vocalizations and body language, including flapping their wings, bowing their heads, and preening their feathers. When it comes to their diet, penguins are carnivorous, feeding on fish, krill, squid, and other small marine creatures. Different species of penguins have different feeding habits and prey preferences. For example, Adelie penguins primarily feed on krill, while emperor penguins feed on fish and squid. During the breeding season, penguins engage in elaborate courtship rituals, including vocalizations, head bowing, and mutual preening. After mating, the female lays 1 or 2 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for several weeks. Once the chicks hatch, the parents take turns feeding and caring for them until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Penguins are also known for their unique behavior, such as tobogganing, where they slide on their bellies across the ice and snow. This behavior helps them conserve energy and move quickly over long distances. Penguins also have a distinct waddling gait on land, which is due to their short legs and upright posture. In conclusion, penguins are fascinating creatures that are highly adapted to their aquatic lifestyle. Their streamlined bodies, webbed feet, and layer of blubber enable them to swim at incredible speeds underwater and stay warm in the cold ocean waters. Penguins are social animals that communicate through vocalizations and body language, and live in colonies ranging from a few dozen to thousands of individuals. They are carnivorous and feed on fish, krill, squid, and other small marine creatures. Penguins engage in elaborate courtship rituals during the breeding season, and both parents take turns caring for their chicks until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Overall, penguins are remarkable creatures that are fascinating to study, and understanding their basic biology and ecology is crucial for their survival. Penguins are mainly known for their unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in harsh aquatic environments. But their life cycle is also fascinating in its own right. Penguins typically breed during the spring and summer months, with females competing for mates. Once a pair has bonded, they will engage in elaborate courtship rituals to strengthen their bond. The female will then lay 1 or 2 eggs, which are incubated 32 to 68 days by both parents or just by the male, depending on the species. During this time, the parents incubate the eggs and foraging for food. Once the eggs hatch, the parents continue to take turns caring for the chick, with one guarding it while the other goes out to sea to find food. As the chick grows, it will group with other chicks, where they huddle together for warmth and protection while their parents forage. The parents will continue to feed and care for the chick until it is ready to fledge, which can take anywhere from 60 to 130 days depending on the species. Once the chick has fledged, it will spend time at sea learning to swim and hunt for food on its own. Penguins typically reach mating maturity between the ages of 3 and 8, depending on the species. Overall, the life cycle of penguins is a testament to their remarkable adaptations and the dedication of their parents to ensure the survival of their offspring. Understanding these unique behaviors is crucial for the conservation of penguin populations and the ecosystems they inhabit. Penguins play a crucial role in their ecosystem. Many species of penguins feed on krill, which is a small crustacean that is a primary food source for many other animals in the Southern Ocean. By consuming krill, penguins help to keep the population of these tiny animals in check, which in turn helps to maintain the balance of the entire ecosystem. In addition to being predators, penguins are also important prey for other animals such as leopard seals and killer whales. Their abundance in some regions attracts these predators, which in turn helps to regulate their populations. Penguin colonies also have a significant impact on the surrounding environment. Their guano, or excrement, is rich in nutrients and can fertilize the soil on nearby islands. This can promote the growth of vegetation, which can provide habitat for other animals. Finally, penguins can also serve as indicators of the health of their ecosystem. As they are sensitive to changes in their environment, such as shifts in ocean currents or fluctuations in the availability of prey, their populations can be used as a barometer for the overall health of their ecosystem. Overall, penguins play a vital role in their ecosystems. They help to regulate the populations of other animals, and their colonies can have a significant impact on the surrounding environment. By understanding their unique behaviors and biology, we can better protect these fascinating animals and the ecosystems they inhabit. Conservation efforts for penguins are critical to ensure their survival and maintain the balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. Penguins face various threats, including climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat loss. Therefore, several initiatives have been taken to protect these fascinating creatures. One of the most effective ways to conserve penguins is to establish protected areas where they can breed and thrive without disturbance. Governments and conservation organizations are working together to create marine reserves, such as the Ross Sea Region Protected Area, which covers over 1.5 million square kilometers and is the largest marine protected area in the world. Such areas help to safeguard penguins and their habitats. Another approach to conservation is to reduce overfishing, which is one of the main threats to penguins. Scientists are working with fishery managers to develop sustainable fishing practices that allow fish populations to recover and provide enough food for penguins. Pollution is also a significant threat to penguins, and efforts are being made to reduce plastic waste and oil spills in the ocean. These initiatives help to protect penguins and other marine animals from the harmful effects of pollution. Conservationists are also using innovative techniques to study penguins and their behavior, such as satellite tracking and underwater cameras. These methods help to gather vital data on penguin populations and their movements, which can inform conservation strategies. Overall, conservation efforts for penguins are crucial to protect their habitats and ensure their survival. By creating protected areas, reducing overfishing and pollution, and using innovative techniques to study these fascinating creatures, we can help to maintain the balance of the ecosystems that penguins inhabit and protect the incredible diversity of life it supports. As we come to the end of our video about penguins, we hope you have gained a newfound appreciation for these fascinating creatures. From their unique adaptations to living in cold environments to their playful behavior and challenges in the wild, penguins have captured our hearts and imaginations. We encourage you to continue learning about and supporting conservation efforts for penguins and other wildlife. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.